Welcome to tutorial 3, where we will look at analyzing the question. Analyzing the question is the first step in your plan or essay writing process, and here it is. Here I've got a 5-step one here, as we've seen in tutorial 2. This is the plan. First step, analyze. Second step, brainstorm. Do the research. First draft, and of course the final draft. Back to analyzing the question. As it says here, a crucial first step, as it sets the parameters for your essay, i.e. what you can talk about and what you can't talk about, and gives you direction to get you started. It is a 4-step approach. 1, instructional words. 2, topic. 3, not always required, but a paraphrase. And 4 is limits. Yeah? So if I go back to tutorial 1, there was a part that says sometimes students miss the point of an assignment question because markers of essays are looking to see if you answered the question or what was asked for you in the assignment. If you start on the introduction straight away or start researching straight away before planning and analyzing the question, that is where you miss the point of the topic. So this is the all-important first step, analyzing the question. Instructional words is the first step. An instructional word, what are they? What do they mean? Topic, what is the general subject area? And paraphrase, if you can't understand the question or if it's too long, you say it again in your own words. And limits, this is that parameters thing, what you can and can't talk about. So if we go down, what is an instructional word? Okay? So up here in the top here, we've got an example partai. What are the causes of alcoholism amongst teenagers? If I was to look at this partai, this assignment question, 1, what is the instructional word? What? What is the instructional word in that sentence? That's what are you being asked to do? It indicates and has some explanation of causes. What is the topic area? And in there, what are the causes of alcoholism among teenagers? Alcoholism. Alcoholism is the topic. 3, how can I say that again? Outline key factors causing alcoholism in teenagers. Just another way of saying that, should that not have been clear enough. And of course the last step, all important step as well, is the limits. Okay, in this one, teenagers and alcoholism are a limit. Teenagers is a limit because you can't look at the whole population, only teenagers, which most probably means between a certain age. That narrows down what you can write about. And alcoholism means you can't cover drugs. A lot of research talks about them hand in hand, alcoholism and drugs. So you've got to cancel out the drugs information and just concentrate on alcoholism. That is an example of how to analyze. Go back to the top, analyzing the question. Here's some for us to try. If I was looking at this example question, briefly discuss the opportunities and threats which globalization poses for the economy over the coming decade. Step 1, what is the instructional word? And it's here. The instructional word is discuss. This is important because different instructional words mean different things. So if I pull up a quick glossary list, we can see, for example, discuss and describe. We've been asked to describe or to discuss, which is a much more heavier word than describe. Describe is just give a detailed account of something, but discuss means a lot. It means, as you can see there, investigate or examine a subject, present a point of view. So a list like this is handy when analyzing, so you realize what you have to do in terms of the word discuss. The topic is the globalization and the economy. Okay, and the limits, not only is it 1500 words, but also things like it's two-sided, it's opportunities and threats, plus and minus. And another limit which could quite easily be overlooked is the coming decade, which means it's futuristic, not past, but even though it's futuristic, it's only 10 years. So you may want to push pause at any stage and look at example 2 and 3 and try and analyze that question. From analyzing the question, we move on to brainstorming and researching, which is made much easier only once you've analyzed the question.